Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be listening to some more sound. So, off camera, I have written lots of, like, all the sounds that we need to listen to that are not movement-based. So, like, for example, the star, the mega mushroom, the barfer, the mushroom, the red coin, the fishbone, and dry bones, Bob-omb, Koopa characters, and a lot more. In today's video, I'm going to let you guys know. I'm just going to go through, like, the sounds. I have them written in my notebook, and basically you'll just I'm just gonna listen to like all the sounds and tell you which one's my favorite out of all the ones, of which ones I like, and then you guys can drop your, and we'll just take a listen to and just maybe find differences and which one I like the most, because the point of this series is to kind of like explain, I was kind of, just kind of ranking the sounds I like, just which one I like the most, and the point of the series is like to also kind of go through like how they made certain sounds in different game modes. So let's just, listen to the star power first of all. So I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to go back to this one. If
Let's go.
I don't need to record. I usually will record. You guys know, if you guys have seen the other videos, you know that I will record the sounds, but because the way that because the star power up actually has a actual kind of jingle to it, I don't need to record it. I just don't need to record the star sound effect, the music. Okay, let's listen to it one more time.
Let's go.
Okay, so you had like a kind of sound.
Let's go.
So you had the, and then you had like a bass, no drums in that one, and then this one. What's this one? Oh, how do I describe this? I'm just trying to think of a way to describe it so I can remember what it is. So basically, if I describe how I think all the star power-up sound, little jingles sound like, that way I can remember how they all sound. And then that way I don't have to record the star sound effects, and I can just remember them based on how I describe them. So let's listen to this one one more time.
Let's go.
It has more like instrument to it, if that makes sense. More piano instrument kind of to it. I don't know. I don't really know.
Let's go.
Ooh. This one has like that one just has like a kind of sound to it. And then 3D worlds, I gotta recall, if there even is.
Let's go.
Listen to it one more time.
Let's go. Let's go.
It's kind of what it sounds like, but okay, what we're gonna do. So we're gonna take. Okay, so
Let's go. Let's go.
okay, so that one had like its, I don't know.
Let's go.
This one has like an 8-bit kind of beat to it. Okay, okay, so remember, 8-bit beat kinda. This one had like bum 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 bum, kind of like a bass to it. This one just has its like. It's like more just piano sound. I don't know, like more melody sounded. And then this one had its, and then I don't remember what this one sounded like.
Let's go.
That one had its own cool kind of beat, and then this one was too, like, so I'm gonna save this one as sounds. And then 3D Worlds was, let's see.
Let's go.
So basically, because you have to switch, so when you want to change your game style from like Mario Bros, the original, NES Mario Bros, Mario Bros 3, Mario World, or Mario U, if you want to change any of those game styles to 3D World, you have to erase everything that you added to. So like your entire level will just get erased if you want to switch to 3D World. So because of that, I made 3D World. I'll just add items that I want to listen to. So I'll basically just go into like, I'll load a course up and I'll go to the 3D World, like this level that I have selected here, and basically I'll go to that level, place the item, listen to it, and then when I'm done with the level, I'll come back to this screen that you're seeing right now and go to sounds, and then I'll just listen to sounds not from 3D World. Hopefully, like, you know what I mean? So I think I want to listen to. There's two.
Let's go. Let's go.
I don't know.
Let's go.
Super Mario Bros. NES takes the lead. I was gonna say Super Mario 3D World, but the I don't like how the music speeds up when you're, like, when it's about to, like, when your star power is supposed to run out. Otherwise, it would have been like it would have been a no-brainer to choose 3D Worlds, but obviously I don't like it. So, in my notebook, I'm gonna write a check mark beside each item once I'm done listening to them. So check mark beside the start. Okay, so now let's go with. Let's check out the. So we'll go back to. I'm always going to choose items from the SMB one. So we're going to choose. Okay. Thing goes from frog to pea balloon to the acorn. Oh, okay. I'm also gonna check because I don't want to like. To boomerang. Okay, well. Okay, well if you go backwards, then what's the point? I'll just whatever. We'll figure out how I'm gonna switch from these from the other game modes to the 3D World. We'll figure that out. How I'm gonna like get to those ones without having to erase all the like stuff that without my level being raised. But anywho, okay, so I just did. So yeah, okay, so yeah, Super Mario Bros. Takes the lead for that one. So the Mega Mushroom will not count. Let's do Fire, I guess now. I will go through a list of power-ups and items and things. If they don't have different sounds, I'll just scribble them out.
Let's go.
Here we go.
Let's go.
This is kind of easier than I thought it would be. I'm in the game actually. For a second I thought I was watching something. Okay. Okay. So this is how I'm gonna record some of the, how to make sure I can listen to some of the the sound effects, but sound effects that have like actual jingles, like the star power up does, don't need recording. It's like what I'm doing right now. I do not like what I just saw.
Let's go.
Perfect. Okay, cool beans. Then go to back up to
Let's go.
Alright, fine. We'll see what it is. Let's see. Oh, I understand why. That's stupid.
Let's go.
Oh, come on, man. It needs to register both? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, now go back to the game. Go back and load 3D worlds. I know it shows the, I'm just gonna erase the star, by the way, so we're gonna go back to this, and then we'll see. You do have... Okay, so individual power-ups that only have one noise, from, like, in any of the game modes will not be, counted for game-wise. So let's do... Okay, let's see.
Let's go.
I hate that so much. Okay, so we have all the ones selected. So, because now I know how to clip things, let's go to the first one. Okay. Now I'm gonna like go closer to my ear. Ooh, we got some strong contenders here. That's funny, they're actually the same ones. I don't really like any of them, to be honest with you. I'm just gonna go based off nostalgia for why I like it. I'll just say that I like the New Super Mario Bros. U. And I just realized that the New Super Mario Bros. U and NES Mario Bros. Are the same thing. I really think that they're all garbage sound effects, but I guess we'll just stick with the was. Okay, so now I gotta check off firepower. I think we did go mushroom already once. Because if okay, so wait. So
Let's go.
and then I think grabbing a power up.
Let's go.
I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. So we're gonna cross out mushroom. Okay, lovely red coins. Let's do a red coin now. So let's go back to this. We're gonna go to
Let's go.
I don't want the. I'm gonna add multiple because I think you need.
Let's go. Let's go.
You debated jerk.
Let's go.
Okay, so now that we have that one out of the way, let's go to this. Or I mean, go back to. We'll save because I always want to make sure that I know which item I last left on from. So red coin, and then we'll just do. Okay. We'll see how long this video is, and then we'll see. Because if it is a bit too short, I will include the Fishbone and Dry Bones, Koopa character, non-Koopa character. Koopa characters will be, I guess, maybe its own thing. I don't really know quite yet. And then Junior Clown Car we will add later. Okay.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay. We'll have to hear the differences closely.
Let's go. Let's go.
I recorded 2, didn't I?
Let's go.
That's fine, whatever. We'll get back to in-game, bro.
Let's go. Let's go.
Why is this like this?
Let's go.
Cool beans. Okay, little clip video.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Are they all the same? Are they all the same in like... No, they can't be.
Let's go.
No, they're different. They're different.
Let's go.
No, I don't want them to be like...
Let's go.
Okay, so we're gonna do...
Let's go.
Just heard it, and then...
Let's go.
Okay. In game, bro. In game. That's cool. Okay, so now...
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Stop chip baiting me.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, so we will do... Okay, so let's listen to this one.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Go. Let's
I don't know what this one was. That was a... Okay, sorry, let's go through that again.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
There's something about this one that I like. There's just something about it. I don't really know what a key coin is supposed to really like sound like. But I like, let's listen to, we even listened to 3D World, did we? That's cool. That one's cool. 3D World takes that one for sure. I like the 3D World one the most. I like 3D Worlds the most. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go and check off red coin. So we just did star, the flower, and the red coin. Now we're gonna go into the fishbone and dry bones. We will do that right away. Okay, so now I just got to... Okay, I gotta record all the sounds for all the coins. We did already do that, but there's a sound where... Okay, I'll show you guys what I mean. So, we heard this sound, and this sound, but we didn't hear the sound of, when you collect all the amount of red keys you put in your level. If you collect the last one, then this happens. We didn't hear that sound. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to... let's go... No. So all I'm going to do... A sneeze is coming. So I'm gonna go to the first... I have a sneeze coming. My nose is tickled. No, I don't. Never mind. Okay, so I just have to do...
Let's go. Let's go.
Don't debate me like that.
Let's go.
And that's not even all what happened.
Let's go. Go.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, so I finally got that one. Okay, hold on. This will be a minute or two. I'm gonna just, like, give it a minute or two. I'm gonna double check it, though.
Let's go.
So I will record it. Here, we're gonna clip this. And if they are the same,
Let's go.
I will here, we're just gonna do this. There we go. I will cross it off in my notebook, which I should have had in my hands this entire time. So let's listen to both.
Let's go.
Will it be different sounding in Mario World?
Let's go.
It is different. It is different. Okay. So we do have to listen to it.
Let's go.
Okay, so we got the clip. It's like was much quicker than I thought it would be. I love clips videos. I don't really know what it... Like, I don't really know what a key... Oh, whoops. I don't really know what a key sound effect or a key coin, like... I don't really know what, like, what this sound is supposed to sound like, but we'll find out.
Let's-a-go.
Please play it.
Go. Let's-a-go. Let's-a-go. Oh.
We'll get it.
Let's-a-go. Let's-a-go. Let's-a-go.
It... Stop baiting me.
Let's-a-go. Let's-a-go. Let's-a-go.
Okay, if it's gonna go through here...
Let's-a-go. Let's-a-go.
Did you just forget that I had, like... Piss off.
Let's-a-go. 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 Go.
Stop doing this. Okay, well, I'm gonna go black screen for a second, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do...
Let's-a-go.
Let's see if I got it. Wait. Oh, maybe... I thought maybe I had it there, but I accidentally deleted it, so oopsies.
Let's-a-go.
Stop this, dude. Can I just...
Let's-a-go.
Maybe I got on the second one.
Let's-a-go.
No, that's not clear enough.
Let's-a-go. Let's-a-go. Let's-a-go.
It's not the clearest. I can't get the clearest one, you guys, but this is what we gotten. That might be the best one we're getting so far. Okay, here you guys can see the screen one more time. Now, we need to go to 3D worlds. Do I have 3D worlds though? No. Gotta go back to 3D worlds. So I will save as because I want to see if be sure that okay. So I want to just point this out. I have basically, if you guys don't know how I'm keeping track of what items I need to I basically need to we need to listen to. I'm writing the sound effects, like so the names of like the sound effects in my notebook, and then every time we go through one, I'll put a check mark if once I completely listen to that same item or power up or whatever it is, not movement based, in every single game mode. It's like I'll show you guys. So in all these game modes that I'm selecting here, if they sound the same through every single game mode, I'll just cross it out because like they're just like they all have the same sound effect in every game mode. So like why, right? So okay, so now on to 3D World. So in order to get to 3D World, I need to load it up. I need to go to 3D World sounds.
Let's go. Let's go.
And somehow I got that one instead. Okay, so now let's listen to all the game modes now. Okay.
Let's go.
I did not mean to X out of it, but we will go back to this one more time. Okay, those ones sound the same.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I kind of like, it just, I don't know how to describe how what I'm hearing, but just the way that this one kind of sounds is just cool. I like, I like, it just sounds the most, like, the coolest out of all. I kind of like,
Let's go.
yeah, okay. So, Mario Bros. U takes the win on this one. No, I need... Okay, so this needs to be... Okay, so we're just gonna check if the Fishbones has a... I know Drybones Where is this? Is Dry Bones in this? Yeah, there it is. So I will erase.
Let's go.
And then.
Let's go.
Oh, they do have different sound effects. Okay, let's record this really quickly.
Let's go.
That's one clip.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay. That's good to know, actually, because... Wait, which ones were in these ones?
Let's go. Let's
So I only did these two, right? Okay, so then if I go back, switch to this one,
Let's go.
I think that should record it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, that's fine. Gotta make sure that that I just clip it down.
Let's go.
And after listening to the fishbone death sound effects from every game mode, I liked Mario Bros. U the most because it sounds like an actual, like, because like basically the sound effect I was listening to was how a fishbone sounds like when they die and their skeleton breaks. The one that sounded the most realistic to a skeleton, like bones breaking, like a skeleton bone breaking, was Mario Bros. U. That sounded like the most realistic, so I liked the Mario Bros. U one. Okay, so in next video, I'm gonna look at my list, and I'm gonna look at what items we need to basically, or characters that we need to listen to the sounds of, and I will let you guys know what items we're gonna listen to next, the sound effects for items or characters next video. And I have a list of those items or characters in my notebook, which is, I have an actual notebook that I'm keeping track of. Okay, so that's how I'm keeping track of everything we need to listen to. That's how I'm keeping track, because I actually have a notebook that I'm keeping a list of. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe, like, and see you guys next time. Also, if you guys want my videos to be shorter, let me know in the comments below. Bye.